If you hear the AC on, it's really hot and it is what it is. So let's do this. I'm actually prep cooking some chickens. This is for more than one meal. And what I'm going to toss together after it's cooked is a single size serving pizza for one. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to show you what I have here to toss this little pizza together. I'm just going to go with this Boboli original crust. This is the single size serving, and there's 4 in here. So it's really good on the 1 gram of sugar. The sodium might be a little not too great, not great at all for me anyways. So I'm going to watch the sodium with the other stuff that I'm using. And then the saturated fat's pretty good, and one of them is 190 calories. So this is what I'm going to be using. I went ahead and tossed some simple things together to make some pizza sauce, because for me, I don't like store-bought pizza sauces. Please forgive me. I just don't like the taste of them. I haven't found one that I really love, so I'm making my own. And what I have in here, I used my handheld blender to blend it all together, and it came out pretty good. Let me show you what I got here. I have this stewed tomatoes. You could get this from Walmart. That's where I got it. It's an Italian recipe. It has sliced Roman style tomatoes with basil and oregano. So it's all in there for you. And this actually has a little bit of a sweeter taste because it's stewed. And most of them are when it says stewed. So I went ahead and added half of a can of this organic tomato paste. And this is great value brand. I went ahead and used 1 large clove of garlic. I used my handheld grater to grate it first, just to speed things along and make sure it's, just really broken down. And then I just added some salt, and that's it. Simple, easy, and it tastes great. I'm really looking forward to trying this out when it all comes together. I went ahead and bought a block of mozzarella. I shred it myself because when you buy it already shredded for you, they do have a coating on there to keep it looking nice in the bag, and it doesn't really melt, the way it should. So it's edible stuff, whatever they use, but I like to shred my own, and plus if you buy it in the block, you get more and you pay less. So, it's all about budgeting and doing your thing. Just for taste, I'm going to sprinkle just probably a few pinches when I add the cheeses of some Parmesan. I got this already shred for me because, I guess that inflation thing is real, because the one I normally buy that's $2 and something, it's like $4 now. So I'm like, I'm going to grab this great value one for now. Parmigiano Reggiano, it's really not a melting cheese. It's a topper, so it's all good. I'll check this out. This is what I'm going to be using on my side salad. This Skinny Girl fat-free, sugar-free dressing. It's buttermilk ranch. I really like it. I like a few of them. If you haven't tried them, don't knock them until you try it. I actually really think they're good. That's my opinion. You don't have to be on a fitness journey. You don't have to be living a healthy lifestyle. You don't have to be counting calories, It tastes pretty good. It's a good price. So check it out if you want to, and that's what I'm going to be using today. For my side salad, I can't wait to eat. I think there may have been in the past some smaller ones as far as these little single pizzas, because there used to be one with 4 of them in there. Well, there's only 2 in here, so the 190 calories is actually half of it. If you want more cheese, go for it. This is what I'm doing right now. And this is probably half of the serving size amount, which is probably going to be about 35 to 40 calories. I went ahead and gave my chicken a chop. Just fresh basil. I'm going to do just a sprinkle of the Parmigiano Reggiano, baby. I'm just joking. Just a sprinkle me moment. Shout out to E40. Sprinkle me, man. Ready for the toaster oven. You could toss this on a grill. You could do it however you want. It's gonna be delicious. So let's get it baking and let's get it done. What you doing in there, baby? You getting all nice and hot for me? Toasty and melty. Ooh, I'm gonna love you. Okay, I'm letting it bake. I'm gonna shut the door in a minute. And then when it's done, I like to hit it with the broil and just broil it off a little bit, just for a few seconds. I went ahead and tossed together a quick side salad. I'm praying to God I don't have pizza sauce on my face, but if I do, roll the camera. Let's do this. Yeah. I had a good workout. I actually took a shower. I have serum on my face, so if I'm all shiny, it's cool. It is what it is. Let's do this. I just wanted to put a few things out there. You know, I'm a budget shopper. I know now the inflation must be real, because you know what? There's things that I buy and keep in my household, and they're like an extra $2 now. So I do budget shopping, and if I have to, you know, I will find something different that's similar or just as good, you know, for a lesser price. So when I'm cooking and stuff like that, just keep in mind everything that I purchase, you know, it's never going to be, you know, too expensive. It's going to be just, you know, not extremely, sometimes it's not going to be extremely cheap sometimes, you know, when it comes to meat and, you know, seafood and stuff like that, because it's never going to be. But you just find the best price that, you know, suits your needs. So I just want to put it out there. I'm a regular person. All my meals are basically budget friendly, and I try to keep it that way and do the best that I can. Yeah, so it is what it is. Let's get to making this pizza because I'm hungry, and let's get it done. Ready to slice it up. I already sliced it, and this is just how I'm plating it for right now because I have my side salad in a bowl. This is so good. Just cook it until all the stuff is warm and your cheese is melted. You don't want, unless you like crunchy. Some people do like a little bit of crunch to their pizza. I don't, so I just cook it until everything's hot and everything's melted and ready to go. I feel for this type of bubbly bread, that's the best thing to do, and it's amazing. I'm telling you, this is so good. Yeah. So, I'm a regular person here. I budget shop, and you know, I will treat myself sometimes like any other regular person, but I just want you to keep in mind everything that I purchase and everything that I share is most likely pretty good priced as far as for, you know, people on a budget. And yeah, so I'm just a regular person here. I'm not going out of my way to cook this just for a video. I'm actually eating it, and this is what I plan to eat. So I thought, you know what, why not put my camera on and, you know, just record this too, because I want to share it with people. I want to share it with you. Taste it, try it. It's pretty good. And yeah. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.